अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे दाऊद कमाल राइटर को, जो कि उनकी एक पोइम है रेबल, एंड द सेकंड वन इज़ एनिवर्सरी एंड द लास्ट वन इज़ किंग फिशर। दाऊद कमाल was a Pakistani poet who wrote most of his work in the English language. His poetry was influenced by modernist English language poets like Ezra Pound, W.B. Yeats and T.S. Eliot। दाऊद कमाल पाकिस्तानी राइटर थे और ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्प्रेस थे इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के राइटर से, एजरा पाउंड से, W.B. Yeats and T.S. Eliot से। He was born on 4 January 1935 and he was died on 12 May 1987. He is known for his emotional poetry. His work often explored themes of love, time, memory, and the inner conflicts of the human soul. His work often used natural imagery and metaphor to invoke feelings of loss, time, and self-reflection. रेबल पोइम आ गई है, इसको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं, देखते हैं इसमें क्या है। दिस पोम इज़ अबाउट समवन हु डजंट वांट टू फॉलो सोसाइटी रूल्स। अच्छा, ये उसके बारे में है कि जो सोसाइटी रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं करना चाहता, जो इंडिविजुअली तौर पे कहता है कि जैसा मैं चाहूँगा वैसा ही मैं करूँगा, मैं क्यों किसी के दबाव में आके अपने फैसले को चेंज कर लूँ या किसी के कहने पे अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजारूँ। मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी खुद गुजारूँगा। This poem is about someone who doesn't want to follow society rules or live their life according to others' expectation. Instead, they want to live freely and be their own person. The speaker of the poem felt trapped in traditions or norms and wanted to break free to follow their own path. The word rebel means someone who fight against control or rules, and in this poem, it represents a person desire to be independent and lives life on their own. The poem talks about the inner struggle of the person who wants to make their own decision rather than following what society says. Major theme: freedom. The major theme of Rebel is the desire for freedom. The speaker of the poem feels limited by social expectations, which push people to follow rules or traditions. The poem highlights the internal conflicts of someone who wishes to live their life independently without being controlled by others. The speaker wanted to make their own choices, although Rebel encouraged the reader to accept their uniqueness and take control of their own destiny rather than being controlled by social expectation. To conclude, it shows the importance of self-expression. It encourages readers to break free from social expectation, encourage personal freedom, and the courage to live life according to one's own values and desire. Anniversary poem इज़ अबाउट लुकिंग बैक। अच्छा, ये एनिवर्सरी पोएम इसके अकॉर्डिंग है कि कोई भी हमारा जो अच्छा ज़िंदगी का ओकेजन होता है वो सिर्फ एक लम्हे के लिए आता है, लाइक जैसे हवा की तरह आया और चला गया, तो उसको हमें फुल इंजॉय करना चाहिए। ये उस चीज़ से रिलेटेड है। Anniversary is about looking back to an important day from the past. It could be the anniversary or something else like a wedding or a personal achievement or even the loss of loved ones. The poem focuses on how memories of that day still affect the speaker even years later. There is a sense of nostalgia. Poet wanted to show how they change things, but certain memories remain powerful. The whole poem talks about remaining as something important from the past. It shows how even time has passed, but the feeling connected to the memory are still strong. Major theme: memory and time. In Anniversary, the major theme is memory and its connection to time. This poem focuses on a social play from the past anniversary of an event that still had emotional significance for the speaker, even though time has passed, but the memories of that day still remain fresh and powerful. The poem shows how memory can cause strong feelings of nostalgia where the past still looks alive. The poem shows bittersweet nature of remembering something important, blending joy and grief. To conclude, this poem Anniversary shows the everlasting power of memories. Even time passes, past events remain with us, affect our emotional, and remain a deep connection between memory and personal growth. Kingfisher poem used the image of a kingfisher bird to talk about beauty and moment in life that are quick and fleeting. अच्छा, ये इसके बारे में है कि हमारे ज़िंदगी में जो भी अच्छे अच्छे मौकाज़ आते हैं उन्हें हमें फुली इंजॉय करना चाहिए, ना कि सैड होकर बैठ जाएं, क्योंकि ये मौका जो होते हैं किंगफिशर बर्ड की तरह आते हैं जो एक बार आए और उसी टाइम ही चले गए। अ किंगफिशर इज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल bird and in a poem it appears for just a short moment and then flies away. This represents how life has beautiful moment. This represent how life has beautiful moment that doesn't last long, like a wonderful experience or something special we see, but can't hold on to forever. The kingfisher is a symbol of something precious and beautiful that only appears briefly in life. This poem is about appearing those short, wonderful moments because they don't lost. Major theme: fleeting nature of beauty. The major theme of Kingfisher is the fleeting nature of beauty and the memory moments in life. This poem used the image of a kingfisher bird. ये कुछ समझ नहीं आ रही, आई थिंक एडिट कर इसको पिक को स्कैन करते हुए इसकी जो सारा डिसअपियर हो गया, इसलिए मैं आपको पढ़ के सुना रही हूँ। Known for its bright color and quick movement to symbolize moment of beauty that appear suddenly and disappear just as quickly. That represents how life offers brief, beautiful experiences that are not permanent. This poem encourages readers to appreciate these fleeting moments because they are precious and can vanish at any time. It also reminds us that we can't hold these experiences forever. Same like the bird that flies away, Kingfisher teaches us to be present and savor life's beautiful moment as they come, as they are temporary and part of a natural cycle of life. To conclude, showing that the nature of the beauty and life precious moment, it encourages readers to appreciate temporary experience while they last, showing that with the passage of time their value and significance. So I'm done this video. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें। यहाँ पे आज हमारा पाकिस्तान लिटरेचर 2 का जो सिलेबस था वो भी कवर हो गया। तो नेक्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त। सी यू सून। अल्लाह हाफिज़।